Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today on our 06 Honda Element, I'm going to show you how to replace your third center brake light in the back of the tailgate. We're going to start by opening the tailgate, bring it all the way up, and you can locate your third brake light, center light, and on each side there's little plastic tabs. I just take a small screwdriver, push that tab in, pull the cover down. Now you've exposed the actual socket, so you can either see this little tab, push that tab in, pull that off. Now you can put your hands in there counterclockwise. Just turn it, pull it out. There we go. All right. And there is your socket and bulb. And that is a 740 third brake light bulb. Actually, we need one. That's no good, there's no filament. So now I got a new bulb. You can see the filament in this one. And now I'm going to line up my two metal tabs with those. Just bring it right in there and snap it in. Line up the 4 cutout lock tabs. There is a different size, some are smaller, some are larger. So like that, there you go. And then it's turned clockwise. So you hear it click. Now we can reinstall our electrical plug. Let's grab our cover. Ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.